Hello friends, hope you all are fine and doing well. I'm back with new creative videos on Node.js. In our previous video, we have seen a simple login form using Node.js. Today's video is really interesting. Today's video is all about storing data in MongoDB using Node.js. As we know, Node.js is a backend tool for developing web application. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. So let us go through the programs in detail. First of all, our main JavaScript file that is required app.js. So everything is written here. Drivers are installed. Express framework is used. Port number is 3000 for executing the program. Now I will show you package.json. This part is really important in Node.js if you want to run the npm start command. So don't forget to write if you write the Node.js program. Now I will go in public directory where vim index.html. This is the code of index.html. Next part is login.html. This is login.html. Next part is style.css. This is about the style.css. And last part is vim sign up success form. This is a very important form. Now I will execute the program. Now npm start, yes, double pick, yes, sign off form has been displayed. Then Sachin Tendulkar, email ID Sachin Tendulkar t@gmail.com, password 123, phone number yes, form has been, data has been saved in document. Saurabh Ganguly, yes. Now we will see whether the record has been stored in the MongoDB database. First of all, show DBS. Yes, here names has been created database. So use names. Now show collections. Yes, detail is there. So db dot details dot find. Yes, to record has been saved. So I successfully done with a simple login form using Node.js and MongoDB. I will back with more videos on Python Node.js. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share with your friends. Thanks for watching.